Migraine is a chronic neurological disorder characterized by recurrent episodes of moderate to severe headache, often accompanied by nausea, vomiting, and sensitivity to light or sound. It is believed to result from complex neurovascular processes involving cortical spreading depression, trigeminovascular activation, and release of inflammatory neuropeptides. Here is the step-by-step pathophysiology of migraine. 1. Triggering factors. Migraines often begin when external or internal triggers activate the process. Common triggers: stress, hormonal changes, certain foods, sleep disturbances, environmental stimuli, etc. 2. Cortical spreading depression, CSD. A wave of neuronal depolarization spreads across the cortex, usually occipital lobe. This leads to neuronal suppression, altered ion gradients, and release of pro-inflammatory mediators. CSD is believed to be the basis of migraine aura, visual, sensory, or speech disturbances. 3. Activation of trigeminovascular system. CSD activates the trigeminal nerve, cranial nerve V, particularly its ophthalmic branch. Trigeminal afferents innervate blood vessels in the meninges. 4. Release of neuropeptides. Activated trigeminal nerves release vasoactive neuropeptides, such as CGRP, calcitonin gene-related peptide, substance P, neurokinin A. These cause vasodilation of meningeal vessels, plasma protein extravasation, neurogenic inflammation. 5. Central sensitization. Prolonged activation of trigeminal pathways leads to central sensitization in the brainstem and thalamus. Results in allodynia, pain from non-painful stimuli, hyperalgesia, increased response to painful stimuli. 6. Pain perception. Signals reach the trigeminal nucleus caudalis, then relay through the thalamus to the somatosensory cortex. This is where the headache pain is perceived. 7. Modulation by brainstem structures. Brainstem nuclei like the periaqueductal gray, locus coeruleus, and Raphe nuclei are involved in pain modulation, migraine recurrence, associated symptoms, nausea, photophobia. And 8. Resolution phase. With or without treatment, neurogenic inflammation subsides, normal vascular tone returns, the migraine resolves, though post-drome symptoms, fatigue, difficulty concentrating, may remain. Thank you. Have a nice day.